Morning, guys. Hope all is well. I'm just going to do a quick video about what I'm looking for or what I have been looking at this week so far. So, FTSE 100 came, excuse me, came in as the zone down here, really nice. That's what I was looking for. Then we had that spring continuation test movement. So now we do want to see some high prices to see if we can take out this high. Now, I did say obviously we'd go short from here, and I did want to see if price would go longer. But I do have the anticipation that price could run back up into this high. So I'm going to be very interested to see what happens with this and keep my eye on it also. NZD USD, I am in a current short position at the moment. I do want to see if price is going to roll down. I was looking at two trades. I had one off here and I had another one here as well. So this one's triggered. Maybe we might just push up, but I do want to see if we can run down, sweep out a lot of this and come down a little bit deeper. UK oil, I am looking for bullish movements. I'm pretty sure I said in the video I was looking for somewhere within this zone. We had a nice reaction. So I'm just looking off of this inverted fair value gap right now to see if we can get a test and then that continuation a little bit higher. Same with US oil, basically exactly the same setup. Came into 70, which is what I was looking for. So now I'm just waiting for price to push back down into this zone and then give us a continuation higher. Ethereum was a trade that I got when all of this mooned. Unfortunately, my target was only here, so I did miss more, like way more than half of the move, but that is fine. Price came down and we'd ran back down lower into here. And just with the news and everything, I was still expecting price to push higher. So you can see all on my 1 minutes. This was kind of late at night and I managed just to get an entry in on it. So we had price came down and tested this zone in here, which is our overall Asia demand, and price came down. We tested, and I just wanted to see if price is gonna give us some sort of reaction from this guy in here. So you can see, boom, we had our reaction. Price then created a fair value gap on a 5 minute. Boom, second entry here, and soon as market opens, we basically just absolutely ran, and my target was only to here. So I had one here, which was a 1 to 11, and I had one down here, which was a 1 to 12. Now I didn't gain 11% and I didn't gain 0.5%. I wasn't even risking my normal percentage on this. It was only smaller trades. But it kind of just goes to show the power when you actually break down into fractal movements, what really can happen. So that was really, really nice play. I was always expecting Ethereum to push higher. Soon as we had this inversion fair value gap, I knew that I wanted to see price come up. I was looking to buy within here, and then price took me out, and I said, I'm not done with you yet. So we came down, we actually ran this daily low, and I could just see we were running, and I was like, okay, cool. I want to see price push higher. Another thing, when I did have a buy-in on this, and then it took me out. I had my stop and break even. And I did want to see a lot of this get taken, and a lot of this is what happens. But two really, really nice trades. I was then looking when price is here. I did want to see if we were going to come down and fill some of this imbalance, but price has obviously just been on an absolute rampage at the moment. 3,000 for me is on the cards. If anyone can get in on along up into 3,000, I'd probably be holding that. But yeah, we do have some news today at 12 o'clock. So I'm going to be interested to see what happens with that. Sorry, it's been quite quiet this week. I just wanted to get the US elections passed, done and out the way. And then we can really start looking. Obviously, congrats to Donald Trump for getting them. I was glad that he got that over Kamala Harris, but we won't get too political. So yeah, this is what I've been on and what I'm looking at. So if you guys got any questions, please let me know. Feel free to fire away, and I will literally help everyone as quickly as I can. All right, guys. Bye-bye.